But yeah, the Barton Arms pub is just over there. That's where apparently Phil Mitchell used to drink, man.
Rum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a rum biker, rum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yes, family, yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. We're outside again. And yes, family, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, become a member and all of that. You know, donate with the PayPal. Like, everything is on the front page of the channel. And yes, we're outside at night again. So we're just doing a trek from Newtown to North Birmingham ways, you know, up the Walsall Road and all of that. Let's see what's going on tonight. I mean, it's 10 to 11, man. It's kind of late. There's still loads of activities going on. I swear that my nose is running, man. Flipping out. It's mad. Oop. What's going on here? Only if I'm running out of fuel. I might need to put on a reserve tap, man. Am I running out? 91 miles left. I've done 91 miles. I think normally when I fill the tank, I'm sure it's about 100 and something. I can't even remember. So that's the only thing, man, when you got no fuel gauge, man. But it's good that there's a reserve tap, so if it does run out, I'm going to switch to reserves and I'm good. But yeah, the no fuel gauge movement's crazy. I'm used to it still. So it's like when I change my bike to something with a fuel gauge, I'm going to feel like I'm in heaven, man. Yeah. But yeah. Oh my gosh. I feel really warm, man. It's not even that cold tonight either. It's actually alright now. Yeah. Obviously, when you got all the gear on and stuff, you don't want it to be too warm outside. You want it that weather where it's just a nice kind of cool settings, so you get all warmed up inside your gear and that. You get me? But yeah, the Barton Arms pub is just over there. That's where apparently Phil Mitchell used to drink, man. So I don't know if Phil Mitchell lives in Birmingham or lived in Birmingham. I don't even know. But apparently, bruv, he used to sit in there, bruv. Drink beers, bruv. Phil, Grant, Nigel, Nige. But yeah. Speaking of which though, don't get at me for this, yeah? But who watches EastEnders? Like, who watches EastEnders? Like, look at what's going on, man. Don't forget, guys, for you guys who watch EastEnders, remember when it was it Christmas or New Year's? They gave you this like flash forward scene of like a whodunit thing. You get me? Priya, Cindy, Max, Denise. There's quite a few of them. I can't remember. That was all in the mix. So let's remember all of the foolery that's going on right now. They're trying to build you up to our next foolishness on New Year's. You get me? And anyone who knows, obviously Nigel's gone, R.I.P. Nigel, but respectfully, I was not interested in none of the Nigel storyline. Respectfully, I weren't interested at all, mate. Do you get me? Raviton Madman, in going from Badman to Madman. Yeah, that whole scenario was crazy still. That was mad. The Ravi thing with the Kojo. Get me? The man that had Kojo and my guy, what's his name, man? I can't remember his name now. My brain's gone. Had the man that's shot in food, moving works, and that Oldie geezer. Yo, oh my god, yeah, EastEnders was moving crazy then still. It's actually moving crazy. But yeah, it is what it is. It's just so, you know, life imitating life. Like, it's mad. But yeah, for those of you who watch EastEnders, what do you think about it? With what's going on right now? So madness are going. Get me, Max and Cindy. You have Denise with the leukemia settings, the blood cancer. You got what else is going on? Ian Beale licked down my girl's son on the road. As a man telling her, I thought it was a cone or something. That's crazy. But it's funny car. That youth as well, he's got hard ears. You get me? The little youth don't listen. So he's running. And it's funny because that youth there, he hasn't been about for a minute. We ain't seen him on screen. You get me? So they must have swapped him out or something. You get me? But yeah, we ain't seen that youth on screen for a minute. Any stories to do with that boy? But now he comes straight on and got licked down. It's crazy. Then you got who else? Oh, you have the guy. What's his name now? Oscar. Mod. Yeah, Oscar and the missus and the missus' brother. Like, it's pure craziness going on. Craziness. Him say that him sleep with that guy what did have chlamydia. So I said bloody hell. So respectfully, why for this? But the man they get chlamydia like body. Is that all them think they go? I don't know, man. I don't know nothing about them something that's about. Boy, that's crazy. Crazy. EastEnders is something else, man. I'm telling you, it is crazy. Oh my gosh. But yeah, man, family, are you liking the night settings? Look at the time, man. 10:55. Right, come on, man. Do it for the love of it, man. For the love of it. But yeah, to be honest, I'm trying to get back on job, fam. Trying to get back on job. I got, like I said before on another video, I got some stuff that I'm trying to get patterned. Give me a few weeks to just bulk up the magazine, you get me? And I can start, you know, filming what I'm gonna film next, man. You get me? And I hope you guys enjoy it, man, because what it is, I just want to create stuff for you guys, innit? You know what I'm saying? Like I said before, I ain't gonna say what it is because my mind is active. You get me? I don't want people to, other motovloggers to think, oh, that's a good idea, I'll start doing that. And to be fair, it might come out crap at first, but I'm just gonna, you know what I mean, just experimenting, innit? Do you get me? Experimenting. I'm supposed to be in my Ross bedroom, Rasta. Yeah. Imagine I sat waiting to come out at night to do some night footage, and then my overstand say it don't get dark till about 9:45. Like, mate. Oh gosh. So I thought I'd come out here for about an hour. The hour mark's gone now, and I'm still not home. You get me? Mad. But anyway, family, listen. I'm out. Let me know how you feel about what I've been saying in the comments. And don't forget, if you want to support the channel, you can become a member, or you can hit the paper, or you can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you can share the videos if you want. Please and thank you. But anyway, family, bless up, manners. I appreciate you all. We out.
From biker, yeah, na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your back a rep, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.